doing potatoes now. My potatoes came in these cute little bags. And yes, I got them from Haas Tools. I got 3 different kinds. I got the Kennevics, which are in this tray. I have the Norland Reds. And I have the Yukon Golds. Now, how I'm going to do this is I have 10 containers. I know you can't see my face, but I think you'd rather see this part. I have 10 containers that I'm going to be putting potatoes in. So that means 3 containers of 5 each. That's 15 cuts for each one. Plus I have 1 container left over that I'm probably going to put whole potatoes in. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in here because this is a Kennebec that I'm going to be cutting. I've let them chit up, as you can tell. They've been sitting in a dark closet in the cold, and they are ready to be put in the ground and ready to be done. After you do this, you have to wait at least 3 days. So Saturday afternoon or Sunday, we're going to be putting these in the ground. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut Kennebec. I have to have 15 cuts. Like I said, I have 3 containers, which is 15 cuts. So I'm going to need 15 of these. And what I'm going to probably do, since this one's so small, this is going to be 1. It'll be all by itself. Here's another small one. Here's 2. There's 3. This one I'm going to cut in half because there's 2 and it's a little bit bigger. I'm just going to use scissors. You just want to make sure that you have the eyes are good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you want to put it up because this is going to turn dark because of the starch, but you want it to dry and heal before you use it. 3, 4, 5. I'll probably do this one, 6. Let's see another one. 6. This is 7 and 8. Because there's 1 here. 7, 8. This makes 10, 9, 10. I need 5 more. Let's see, 10. Just do 10. Here's 11. This is going to be 2, 11, 13. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We need 2 more, guys. We'll do it like this. Here's 14. And 15. All right. That's 15 of them. Anyway, it's very easy on what I did. And if you saw them now, you're just going to wait 3 days. And then I'm going to show you how to plant them. So I'm going to get back to cutting the other 2. And then we'll plant in 3 days. I'll see you then. So my gardeners, we've already cut the potatoes right beside my daughter. They're parted. They are really hard. They look like rubber. And that's what they should look like when they're ready to go in. It has been 3 days since we cut them. Today is Sunday. We're going to be planting. These are the bags that I'm using. These are 20-gallon bags. They're called garden sacks. You can get them on Amazon. I will link them in below into my Amazon if you would like to buy some. They're 20 gallons. And in this, you'll be planting 7 pieces of potatoes or 7 potatoes. what we're going to do over here is we've already put in the mixture, which is a potting mix and a vegetable garden mix. The potting mix has some manure in it, and you can smell it. It's really strong. And then you're going to fill the bag up to 6 inches.
Yeah,
So
6 inches.
you want to make sure that you have 6 inches because the potatoes are going to grow underneath it.
Hmm? Wait, why? Why?
There you go. All right, so we're at 6 inches. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put the potatoes in. We're just going to place them. And I'm going to do more reds than any of the other ones because we like the red potatoes more.
Yeah, they're good.
So all we're going to do is put 7 potatoes. We're just going to place them down in here. No Tanner, no Sawyer. Let's move this. Right here, Tanner. That's 6. We can put actually 7 in here. So we're going to move this one over, and we're going to put that one right here. All right. Now we're through with those, and what we're going to do, we're just going to cover them back up.
Yep, we're going to cover them up with this. How will we color it on? I do not know how we're going to.
Move, Sawyer. I need you to move, baby. So now we don't have to put very much on top of them.
Oh, yeah.
We need to just make sure the potatoes are covered really well.
Yeah. Come on. I see one with horse. Tanner. Mom.
Sawyer, please move, baby. Oh, no. All right, guys. You need to make sure the potatoes are really, really covered very well.
Yeah.
Now, we're going to water it. Tanner, move. We're going to water it. And then after we water it, we're going to wait until the green comes up.
Yeah.
So we're going to be planting 10 of these bags, and we're going to watch them grow.
Yep.
So I'll see you later. Remember, God loves you, and so do I. Bye, y'all.